Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. A binary puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, April the 26th, 2023. And I want to remind you that tomorrow it's King's Day, and King's Day we have no newspaper. So I will do the rest of the puzzles of this additional. Yeah. But first, let me start with the binary puzzle. This one will be number. Let me zoom this out here. Okay. This one will be number 6342. 6342. Right. Okay. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27. Again, a lot of printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8. Yesterday, I believe, 35 printed digits. This one, 27. Well, publisher, we need puzzles, binary puzzles, less than 20. Yeah, less than 20. Otherwise, it's too easy to solve. All right. 8 by 8, that means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. All right, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the ones, oh, double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the 1s comes in O. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the 1s comes in O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here one, there one. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Again, finish in 3 minutes. Wow! We solve it again without comparing. But it's an easy one. Too easy to solve, yes. Thank you for watching. If you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle. The 4 stars. 4 stars. Tectonic, this one has 10 printed digits, and I've told you earlier, tectonics with 8, 9 or 10 printed digits, those are not easy to solve. Anyway, thank you and see you in a minute. Bye bye for now.